This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by kbates. Welcome home! This charming 3-bed 1-bath home is ready for you, featuring an open living area with eat-in kitchen. This well-maintained home has many updates already completed for you. HVAC service November 23rd and new flooring and laundry room. Large detached garage west/garage door opener with new service door and separate storage shed. Conveniently located with easy access to schools, recreation centers, parks, shopping, dining, and interstates. Seller is receptive to providing CCA with an agreeable offer. For more information, review the details below or contact kbates at 757-681-1755.